Hi friends, I would like to present my library profile. This is the front view of our library. These are the objectives of our library to provide necessary resources for research in field of special interest to research scholar and to bring books, students and scholars together under the condition which encourage reading for pleasure, self-discovery, personal growth and the sharpening of intellectual property. This is the advisory committee. Uh, Chairman is the our honorable principal and HODs are the member and myself secretary. This slide show working hours uh, of our library. Layout of library, ground floor and first floor. Floor plan, total built up area and also this academic year we create knowledge resource center for autonomous. These are some pictures of knowledge resource center. Library at a glance. Total collection is 1,10,558. Total titles 44,939, including textbooks, reference books, journals, online journals, access through InflipNet and Delnet. Periodicals are 72. Total readers enrolled and registered in this academic year. Then CD, DVD, newspapers, and back volumes of periodical. These are the application tools in library. This is the staff of information of staff working in library. Library also offer course Believe an ISC affiliated to YCMOU Nashik, having duration 1 year, and this year 27 students are enrolled. This is the membership detail. Uh, in this academic year, total detail of purchaser of books and journals. These are services provided by library. In this slide, issue return counter and periodical some sections of library. These are the facilities provided by the. These are facilities available in library. This is the OPAC facility. Some student center activities like open access to PG student, books and periodicals issue in reading room, assistance to access e-resources, user orientation, book bank scheme, demand slip system for other books, special attention to Divyang, best reader award, book exhibition and Karmavir Vachan Katta. That is details of online ebooks and e-journals accessed through Enlist and Delnet. Some innovative practices, that is the braille system is available in a library. Then digital display for notification of new books and other notifications to student and staff. Then a recreational facility is available in reading room. This is a website of library KBP Pandharpur library.in. This picture shows some best practices like user orientation, best reader award, and book exhibition. Thank you. सोनो
हं?
बघ बरं आता काय झालं.
एकटेन दाब ना
दाबलं की.
ती एकटेन नाही हो बाई
हां
बटन दाबताना हे दाबायचं.